আসসালামু আলাইকুম, অনিমেষ দা। এটা মেনলি আপনার জন্যে। এখানে কিছু ওয়েফারও আছে, এটা আপনার না অন্য কারো আমি শিওর না। ওয়েফার আপনার বাইরেও আরও আছে, সাইফুল ভাইয়ের আছে, মহিন ভাইয়েরও মনে ওয়েফার আছে। আমি অ্যাট এ গ্ল্যান্স একটা দেখাচ্ছি যেগুলো হচ্ছে মানুষ গিফটের জন্য, মেনলি গিফটের জন্য কেনে এই প্যাকগুলো। তো এগুলো আপনি চাইছিলেন যে আমি যেন so that I open and show you that what is the presentation inside. So you can see this is a biscuit that you know. I don't know how they break this, but this is butter cookies. We have this shape, and I guess that we have this shape. We do not have this one. So this is a butter cookie arrangement, 2 layer, 1 layer, and there is a second layer. So layer 1, layer 2. So this is this. Okay, let us go to the other brand. This is a single type. No matter you have one size, one pattern or different pattern, but the issue is same. This was White Castle company, and this is another one. This is made in Denmark probably, whatever. So see that the same thing, that 3 biscuits and 2 layers. 3 biscuits and 2 layers. This is the arrangement inside. So this will make your cookie unbreakable, and this will give you a very good presentation of cookies. So these have this small size. This is the smallest size. This is single layer. 1, 2, 3 biscuits. 3 biscuits, single layer. So if we make all of our cookies in this type of packing, this will surely give you a upmarket access and gift type of product. This is wafer roll, but with this here. In Malaysia market, I saw this very well. I saw this working, but they have made this type of pack. Inside there are wafer rolls. We have this product. We just need to create some new presentations to go in up market. This is also wafer roll. This has 2 similar packs, same type, same size, but only 2 packs inside. So people take this who need this, who like this type of box, they take it. This is just a concept. This type of box is also in the market, but you can fill it with different things. Okay, you can fill it with, they have filled it up with chocolate, this chocolate, and you see the packing. This is bubble packing, and you can use this. Okay, this is another one. You can use for chocolate, use for biscuit, whatever you can do. Same kind. Inside very simple pack, and this ball chocolates inside. Okay. This is a tray. This is a tray, not only to protect the product, also to give a look of the box very big. But the product, small product, you can put inside. If you do not have price match, just reduce some number of balls, but the same pack and same tray you can use. So you reduce few numbers of balls to match the price. You remove it, nobody will understand, and you still have the same type of thing. This is what is happening in the gift shops. So what they do is, you will see that in gift shops people are selling at 20-30% lower cost. So what they do is they don't make any change in the packing, but they make change in the product itself. They reduce. Sometimes I have seen that they reduce the product by 50% also to make the price. So this is single serve. This is another one. They made it a gift pack. They used the paper box outside, but I think that this was better. They just wasted money there as per nothing. Okay. If they did it for the to protect the layer, they could do it in a different way. This is the same concept. See that the box, the product inside not very big, but the same ball type of chocolate. So you make it half to match your price. You make it double to make it something. So these are the tins available for the gift type of market. If we do this, and in Bangladesh modern trade, in Indian modern trade, in any modern trade, growing industry where growing countries where modern trade is growing, we can get use of these type of boxes. Thank you.